Hi guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another hair video for you guys. I have a my baby right here. I have a hair appointment tomorrow morning at 9, so I am about to dye my hair in the front. Let me take these off. Okay, go play. I'm about to dye my hair in the front and do that whole routine, but I am going to try something different this time. I really don't try anything new with my hair. I'm quite content with it just hanging like this. There's really no need for me to try a lot of new styles because I like my hair and I'm happy with the appearance of it. But I've decided to try something new this time. I'm going to try pipe cleaner curls. I'm going to dye my hair and I'm just going to let it air dry like straight. I'm a little nervous doing it this way because I've never let it air dry just straight before. I don't know if I should just put like 2 French braids or something in it. I am a little nervous letting my hair just air dry, so I don't know. I'll let you guys know what I decide to do. Who did my baby kinky in? Say hi. Say hi. Kinky hazed me last night. She was up for 3 hours from midnight until about 2:45 or 3. Yeah, you want to show your new teeth that are coming, that are swollen in the back? Say ah. Say ah. So anyways, I will be back. Oh, you guys, forgot to tell you that I am about 7.5 weeks post retie. So for anyone who's on the fence about locking, sit nicely, mama, you're gonna have to get down. Anybody who's on the fence about locking, I'm basically, let's just say I'm 8 weeks. 8 weeks post retie. Like, this is the worst my hair will look. Like, this is the worst my hair will look. You can't see my roots. I got all the gray hairs coming in the front. But my hair still looks good, right? So if you're on a fence about locking, just go ahead and lock your hair, sis. Just go ahead and lock it up. Okay, I'm back with freshly washed hair. I dyed my edges, and what I'm going to do now is just add some jojoba oil, and I'm going to let it air dry just like this. And this will be my first time letting my hair air dry without braiding it. So we'll see how it looks. We'll see if I still have volume, how it just looks straight. Like, I've never worn my locks straight down like this. So I'm gonna add my oil and just kind of let it air dry throughout the day. Okay, it is a couple hours later and I did let my hair air dry, and this is how it looks. It is probably 90% dry. It's a little damp, just a little in the back, so not bad for air drying. I was extremely worried about letting my hair air dry. I actually kind of like it. Not too much shrinkage. It's probably hanging in the same place. My kids are eating and watching kitty videos, so that's the noise and songs that you guys hear in the background. So yeah, still have some bounce, although it does feel a little stiff, but it's still kind of bouncy, if that makes sense. Here's the back. So anyways, I We'll be back tomorrow. Alright, I made all of these pipe cleaners. I made 70, and I just did a few in the back, and I'm realizing that these are too short for my hair. So I don't even know. A little irritated because I spent 25 minutes making these and they are too short. You guys, one thing that I did notice from letting my hair just air dry naturally is that it made it extremely coily. I mean extremely coily. My hair coils on the end, but it's usually not this much. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's extremely coily. Don't touch it, Ken. Sit down. Sit down, Kenny.
Here, Penny, here.
Alright, so I put some twists in to kind of stretch my hair because... Come here, Kennedy. Because those little coils, those little pipe cleaner curls, my kids are fighting. Hold on. So basically, I'm just trying to say I'm trying to stretch the little teeny tiny curls. So I'm gonna leave these twists in for a couple hours or all day.
You can move.
It is about 10 or 11 days later, and the curls finally fell a bit, but that was only because I did everything in my power to make them fall and make them loosen up. Every time I showered, I took a steamy shower, that helped a bit. I took a bath and didn't tie my hair up, that helped a bit. I was twisting it up at night, and that also helped a bit. So what you guys are seeing is kind of my effort to get these curls to fall. And then they fell unevenly, like on this side right here. It's just kind of hanging, kind of limp. And it's because I'm weaning my baby. So I've been kind of rocking her to sleep because she's not nursing anymore, and she's been laying on this side on my hair and kind of, I guess, sweating a bit. Maybe the body heat or something made it drop a little bit lower than this side. So let's just push that back there because I can't deal with the unevenness. I just think right now with my hair only partially locked, that pipe cleaner curls are not for me. At least the way that I rolled mine, they were just too tight. And I hope that they don't cause like knots or anything on my ends, because you guys know my ends are still open. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. I've seen people's pipe cleaner curls come out really cute. And I mean, I'm not saying that mine were ugly. It's just, it was way too tight. So I don't know how to roll them yet. So I'm going to get a little bit more experience in that area before I even attempt to try it again. And I won't try it again until my locks are way more mature than what they are. Because I don't even know what the aftermath will be for my hair being so tightly coiled. And actually my ends don't feel too bad, so it's probably okay. I'm gonna wash my hair in another maybe 2 or 3 days, because it's been maybe 2.5 weeks since my retie, and I'm trying to stay on that 2-week wash schedule to prevent lint buildup. So that's how it looks in the back. I mean, this kind of was a what not to do with pipe cleaners. I mean, to be honest, I really even wasn't going to put this video up, but I had all of the footage and I was like, you know, every hairstyle isn't successful. And I don't know, so you guys, here's the thing with my locks. I am happy with the way that my locks look as is. Like, I don't need to do anything to my locks. I can just wear my locks in a braid out every day and be happy. I tried the pipe cleaner curls because my loctician, she was like, dang girl, you don't never do anything with your locks? And she didn't mean it in a negative way, but she was like, oh, you know, I can see a ponytail with some little curls cascading, and I can see this and this updo and that. And I'm like, oh yeah, you're right. Maybe I should try something, you know, new with my locks. But I did not like that. So I don't know, let me know some lock styles that you guys like, and maybe I can try them and show you guys how they will look on my head. It's crazy because since I have my locks, I'm really not into styling my hair anymore. I am 100% happy doing a braid out and letting it hang down. Like, that's my go-to style. That's what I like. That's what I think looks cute on me. So I don't know about all these lock styles. Maybe as my locks mature, I'll start feeling the styles a little bit more, but I don't know. As for right now, I was not feeling these curls. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Updates in about, let me see, another month I will reach the 18-month being locked period, and that's insane. It's so crazy when I think about it. Like, almost in 1 month I'll be 18 months locked, and I'm going to do things a little bit different for that video. I am going to go live. I want you guys to, I'll probably give you guys 2 choices of when I can go live, and just see which choice you guys choose, and that's when I will go live. But I will be answering questions about my locks. I will be giving you guys everything I've learned up until this point about my locks. I will share my regrets and my mistakes, because I do have some mistakes as my locks start to mature more. And here's the thing, you know, you think you're doing everything right, but you don't realize your mistakes until your locks start to mature and you actually start to see. And I will be giving you guys just, you know, the tea on how I think you should start your locks, because I don't necessarily think anymore that you should start from 2-strand twists. And this isn't anything new. You guys have always heard me express that I wish that I would have had my hair interlocked from day one. I've always said that. That's no secret. That's just how I feel about it. I went the 2-strand twist way because I didn't have sister like money, which was around $2,000 for my hair length. So yeah, for the 18-month, we are going to do that. I'm gonna try to set up everything to go live in advance. I was thinking about doing it on Instagram, but I will stick to YouTube. So you guys start thinking of some questions that you want to ask me so that I can address them in a video. Even if you want to give me some tips, you guys want to give me your thoughts, just anything, we can discuss anything. I'll have my husband take the kids to the park and, you know, probably be live for maybe 45 minutes to an hour or something like that. That is pretty much all. I do have some more videos coming up. Those will be craft videos. If you guys don't know, I do make things. I make a lot of crafts. I make shirts and hair bows and things like that. Watch those videos. I don't get a lot of support on my crafts, but if you guys are crafty and you want to make things and you want to learn how to make things, start tuning into those videos. So until next time, I will see you guys, and everyone have a wonderful day. All right, bye.